Hello everybody and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. On today's video we are back doing the £200 weekly cash stuff. Now this is the first cash stuffing of the new year, so it's going to be pretty basic because we kind of have things to pay off and we kind of need to get there in a pretty shapely quick manner. So today's budget is 200 Smeckerinos as always. Let's just make sure we have that. So let's just double check before we go any further. Guys, also don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things as we do here. I love having you all here, you know that. Oh, and a big thank you to Jacqueline at Snail Mail Mummy for spotting an error on my penny challenge last video. I didn't realise that I had actually an extra £1, and it was thanks to her that she spotted it rather, because I certainly didn't, and I would have been £1 down. So there we go, I'm £1 up. So let's make sure we have 200 in this. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that is 200. So let's pack it away. This coin is from the Ulster, this money here is from the Ulster Bank, so it is a Northern Irish £10 note. As long as they carry the King or Queen's head, they're all legal tender, so don't worry about it, it's all fine. Now, let's see, where are we at? So, food, we are doing 50 Smeckerinos into food. So, 2, 4, and a tenner goes into food. So, let's just open that one up. Need to get that done this week. Need to do some food shopping. Now, we need to put 50 into council tax. 2, 4, do I have a tenner in there? Probably not. Let's put this tenner in. 2, 4, and 1 is 10. Next one is childcare, and we're putting 30 in there. So 10, 20, 25, 30. What else is there? Argos is back on the scene. I'm getting 40. Argos is back on the scene because I did put a couple of I put one shop on it, and then I went and I put a microwave on it because mine broke. So you know, we're going to put a tenner into Very, even though we're pretty much all caught up to date with that. And water gets 20. 5, 10, 15, and another 5 is 20, and that is it all stuffed away for another day. Now, that is it. Now let's get on and do the penny challenge. I don't think I have too much this week. Let me see. Oh, a decent amount again, not bad. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 10, 6, 15, £6.20. Okay. So let's see, what is the highest denomination we can tick off this box? Is £4.95. Do I have it? No. So 1, 2, 3, £4. I can do £4.20. Yeah. 4, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, let's go for £4.20 on this one and try and get rid of that. Right, let me see, where is it? There it is there. Right down at the bottom, £4.20. That goes in there. Oh no, because I forgot about the pound that I ticked off last week. So that pound is going to have to stay in the pot until next week, because I have no more space. I have no more pound coin slots. Yeah. So that'll have to wait. Alrighty folks, a very quick cash stuff on Sunday, but nonetheless it's all cash stuffed, it's good to go. Nice to see a few little pink dots coming up on this page, which means I've got about 4, 8, 12 pound saved up. Nice one. Well, 12, 13 if you can count the pound on the far side. We are doing good. It's an early start. Next week I'm going to be tackling some sinking funds, hopefully. So yeah, don't forget to stay tuned to that one, because we'll be opening back up this one. I have also added a new category to my sinking fund. So this is the house, holiday, sports, Christmas, which I actually haven't put anything into. Birthdays, insurance as always, but I also put in a new one called date night because I'm trying to make more of an effort with himself this season while I'm saving. And, you know, I also want to do things too. So let's put that in there together. So we'll see how far that goes. If the date night one doesn't work out, I will reallocate it to somewhere else because, you know what, I'm not wasting money. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I mean, we always can live and learn. I love how sparkly this is and how everything can move. It's quite a cool little pocket, isn't it? Anyhow, folks, got to see how easily I get distracted. Anyhow, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. Have a great week. Have a great week saving and cash stuffing. I shall see you all next week. Happy New Year, everybody, and good luck with your first cash stuffing of the year. It's still January. We still have time to start. Talk to you next week. Bye.